Hey everyone, this is me Galam Churad and welcome back to the another episode of Talented Reads. So guys, today I'm back with a book. I've recently stepped my foot into the mythology genre and I loved the book, the first book I chose, and I enjoyed it, and I heard that its second part may be coming any soon this year. So I thought that why not I review this book. It would help me keep me a video note of this book. I have, like, when the second book will be coming, I won't have to read it again. I can watch just this video and get a note of what the first book had. So it would help me as well as it will help you. So basically, this is first of all, the book is Samsara by Saksham Garg, and this is a mythology. It's a mixture of mythology, philosophy, and fantasy adventure. And being a debut author, the author has really put great efforts into in the character building and the story of the novel. Like, I loved it. So first of all, please let's take a minute to appreciate the cover page of this book. Look at, like, if you are into a shop or a bookstore and you see this book lined in that shelf and you see this cover page, and if you want to explore for mythology genre, I don't think you would be able to resist yourself in picking it up. So that's what how I got infatuated towards this book, and it's a great book. I forgot to mention that this book is actually considered as the answer to the Harry Potter series. This is the Harry Potter version of India, Samsara. So maybe this can help you to get attracted to this book. Basically, this is the story of Aman Chandra, who is the Harry of our Harry Potter saga of India. And Aman Chandra he lost his father, and he has a terrible childhood. He could not make so many friends. People hate him, and he's bullied in school for every single thing. He cannot memorize things. So basically, Aman Chandra leaves his house to know the answers to the mystery of his father getting died. His death did not left Aman Chandra a lot of answers which were convincing to him. So he decided to be on a journey and know by himself. And he reaches, while searching for the answer, he ends up at Vanyasa, which is a hidden valley in Himalayas. And so that valley is basically home to Hindu gods, immortal yogis, and mythical beasts. So the mission of Samsara is to choose 10 souls from anywhere from the world and prepare them or teach them Atma Yoga, and also the ancient art of yogic sorcery, and prepare them for the upcoming journey, which some people or some souls out of the 10 are not able to survive. So that is what they check, that who can survive. So they choose 10 people and they teach them that Atma Yoga is said to be the practice, which include a lot many things. And so Aman is one of the soul, the chosen soul. He comes to know later on, and he ends up with other 9 people, and the story progresses somehow. Later on, they come to know that Vanyasa is actually under threat or in danger, which is not because of the people from outside world, but because of the people of Vanyasa itself. Some are the cryptic elements who are going to bring some danger to the valley any soon. So he, along with the other souls, decides that we should find out who that cryptic person or the person behind this danger is and what the danger is, so they can resist it from coming. And they goes on that journey to resolve it, and the journey unfolds a lot many secrets before them, which were shocking at every other page for the reader too. And later on, obviously, since this book is going to be a series, so there are going to be other parts of this book, and it's not going to end at just the Aman Chandra's journey is not going to end in first part of Samsara. There are more to come, but it leaves Aman Chandra with some kind of losses by the end too. And so if he is able to find the cryptic person or not, if he is able to save Vanyasa from the danger which was already showing up on that valley, that we have to know by reading the novel. You can get it online, offline. It's available on Amazon, Flipkart, and also you can get it from your nearby bookstore. It's a great book if you're looking for mythology genre and you are into mythology genre, so you can pick up this book. This is a simple language. This is by a debut author, so you may love it. You will love it, I know. Yeah, somewhere you may feel a bit bored around, because I want to mention it because I want to let the readers know that it is fine to feel a bit of bored in between such book. Mythology doesn't entertain anybody, and if you're not a person who can pick up this genre, mythology, then you shouldn't go for it, because you will find it boring from second page only. Yeah, in between it does get a bit distracting for us, but the story to know the end, that is what keeps us going on. And somewhere the character building has also been stretched a bit too much. Like, I felt I don't want to know about this character that much. He or she is not the protagonist. Aman Chandra is the protagonist, but somewhere it has been stretched. But yeah, that's totally fine. These things has to happen somewhere. And overall, I'm a bit satisfied with this novel. I'm looking forward to the second part of this novel by Saksham Garg, Samsara. And let's see how it turns out, if we get to know about, like, Aman Chandra comes to a happy ending, Vanyasa ends, or does the culprit behind bringing the danger are caught or not. So that is what unfolds before us. It's a great journey. It's totally like the Gurukul vibe it gives while you are reading this, or I must say Hogwarts vibe it gives while you're reading this book. So it's a fun to read, and mythology can be fun. This can be known by this book. I loved it that way also, because mythology is quite a complex genre to put about in front of some new reader especially. But I loved it. I wasn't at all felt to leave it and choose some other book. And I'm looking forward to the second part also. So let me know how you perceived it, if you have read it or are you going to read it. And let's know how Aman Chandra's journey goes in this book, how it ends, or does it end in the upcoming book. So we have to wait for it, and let's hope it comes soon. And that's Samsara for you guys. This is a mythology genre, and yeah, that's all from my side. I would rate it 3 out of 5, and I'm looking forward to the another part. So that's all. That's all for today's book review and today's episode of the book The Undead Read. So thank you so much. Do subscribe to The Undead Reads and my channel, and keep showing love. Thank you so much.